Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful.
Can I have this?
Okay.
Thank you. Yes. I watched The Other Guys last night for the first time. That is the funniest movie I've ever seen.
The Other Guys?
Yeah.
I ain't seen it.
Oh, we have to watch it. Have you seen that movie?
No. Do you like movies? Yeah, sure. Whatever you say. That's the top. You know, I failed geometry.
I cheated. So that's how one of my best friends and I became friends. I'm like, hey, I don't know what I'm doing. Can I copy your final? And she gave me her bubble sheet.
Dang.
And I got an A in the class. And we've been really good friends ever since. That was my sophomore year of high school. So where do you work on the ranch?
Yeah, I'm not working right now. I'm supposed to start November 1st.
November 1st. Well, what are you going to do? Do you know?
Just some culinary stuff, but not really.
Thank you. Okay.
I'll hold it. I'll hold the dowel. Or the, what is that even called?
A dowel.
A dowel? A wooden dowel? Wooden block. You should totally move out of the ranch when this is done.
I don't know. I got a pretty cool roommate.
Oh yeah, nice. Let's see if we measured correct. I'm gonna put the level. Oh my god!
Oh heck yeah!
Oh my god! You have a bed.
Nice.
Like a little, like this little nook right here could be like a little tiny little drawers. Like you can put like you know, like cables or like cookies.
Cookies?
Like snacks, like little bedtime snacks. And no one else does that? You don't put snacks by your bed?
No. Do you?
I don't, but...
I needed to line it up.
Sure.
Sure. All right.
What do I know?
I don't know. This is why you're not project manager anymore.
That's why I am project manager. You sure you're gonna start drilling that? You sure it's gonna go in?
You've been demoted.
To
Edward is project Bruv. That wasn't you. That just happened. It's okay. Just happened to happen. So much sturdier. Big sturdy. Wow.
Sturdy. Yep, she'll ride.
All right. All rise.
Ew.
Everything okay, project manager?
Hey, who are you talking to there?
Okay.
I don't know who you're talking to.
I'm talking to the project manager.
I don't see a project manager. I just see Edward.
Edward Scissorhand. Do you know who that is?
No.
No? He's like a horror movie character, but instead of fingers he has scissors.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I heard something.
Do you think he's real?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably. The old man?
Is that a fork knife dance?
No.
I don't know if this is strong enough for me.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'd be so upset if this just broke. All right.
I think you're fine.
Let's see. Gentle. Gentle. Oh yeah! Okay, and I can kind of sit up too.
I think it was a blessing in disguise. I just miss seeing like all my friends there and stuff. I'm kind of glad I got away from Ethan. I don't really have to see him every day anymore. It's kind of nice.
Who's Ethan? Oh, is that the new project manager that's coming?
No. That's someone else. That's just some random contractor.
Bullocks. Okay, we're gonna take this out now. Cut in the punch out. Do you think you could lift that for me, that end? Just so I can pull it out down here without... Yeah!
You got it.
Yeah, thank you. What? How did I do that? How did I mess that up?
Well,
Or maybe I just...
you have to have some force in between him. You might have to wedge it in between.
No, but I measured it like this.
Is it because of these spots right here that it might have been measured incorrectly? Or like it doesn't fit?
No. Wait a second. Wait a second, everybody. Okay, no, never mind. I thought I just measured this one. So no, I'm just kidding. That's all that happened. Alright.
Ram tube. Cool. Are you just doing two?
Yeah.
Or two screws?
Mm-hmm.